Hello everyone, how's it going today? This will be done on my 2017 Maserati Ghibli, and here's a little hint. If you go right here, there it is. The wheel will sit pretty good ways in. You kind of see it here too. So what I have to fix this is the Blox spacer kit. Now I got a 20-25, so we have 20 in the front, 25 in the rear, and this came in about 3 days. What I like about this is it's a better quality aluminum, 7075 aluminum rather than the 6000 series. I'll be putting these on today and seeing what difference it makes. So I'm trying to get this the best I can on camera. You can see here, whenever you get up level with the car, you can't see the wheel. And as you move in about an inch or so, that's where the wheel actually sits. So I'm hoping to bring that out. In the back, you can really tell. As you go along the body, you can't see the wheel. You can see it sticking out right here. And as you come over, you can see that that's where the wheel starts. So it's pretty sunk in there on the rear. Now if you look here, the 20mm spacers basically just have a hole cut in them, and you have extended lug bolts that come with it. Now for the 25, you can see it looks a little bit different. You have your mounting bracket holes as well as your additional screw holes to mount your tire to the spacer. So it's a little bit different for the 25. I like this design better, but it may have been too much of a, distance gap to be able to use an extended stud for the 25s. So that's why they have it like they do there. With this here, you can actually see the distance, how these are actually longer than these to be able to compensate for this gap here. Now one thing I would recommend is using some anti-seize. Just go ahead and put it on here as well as the inside, your mounting point against the actual hub itself. Now whenever you're putting the spacer actually on here, it's going to fit tight against the actual hub section. So what I use is just a rubber mallet to kind of hit it and force it on there, which will actually be nice because whenever I set the wheel on there, it's not all falling off. So I now have the front spacer on, and I'm going to be working on the rear at the moment. Now one thing to remember is once you pull off the wheel and start tightening on the spacer, you want to go ahead and torque the spacer to the actual hub itself, and then put the wheel on, since you won't be able to get to the bolts after the wheel is fitted. Now on the Maserati, you do have to remove this piece here. Whenever you put the spacer on, it'll act the same as this hub fastener, or this rotor fastener. So here's the final look, and I want to say it looks really good. Compared to how it was before, the wheels are now flush, if not just a little bit of poke, if anything. But definitely changes the look, makes it look far more aggressive. There's one thing that was really bugging me with the car, was that the wheels stuck in way too much. You can see now they're flush with a little bit of tire that's coming out near the bottom. So it looks really good, really pleased. Again, these are the Blox racing ones. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, happy driving and enjoy.